Yo, what's up? Welcome back. I've been gone a couple years. Some things have changed. Some things have happened. But what hasn't changed is toys are still awesome. And today, I'm gonna dabble in a classic YouTube tradition known as unboxing. A couple of friends of mine, John and Mikey Kukovich, they have this Couple of Kuks project. I guess you call it a project? I don't know. They make customs, they make custom kits for figures, and they set up at shows. They do, I've seen them do like tutorials online, and they have this, I guess they call it a Spaceman kit. Either way, they have this kit, and sorry, I was struggling on this tape, and I wanted one to support them, right? I like it when my friends make cool stuff. I like to try to support it when my friends make cool stuff. I'm really not much of a 6-7 inch collector. I was initially really in on 1/12 scale stuff, but that kind of took a back seat. And so when I reached out to get one, he was like, how do you want it done? John is the he here. He was like, what do you want it to look like? Because I can't paint, so I ordered the painted one. Because I can't paint. I have no artistic talent at all. I'm a talentless hack, you might say. So he said, how do you want it done? I'm like, well, I don't really have a 1/12 scale collection. I don't really know what I want. I'm not particularly artistic. I have no idea. So I kind of ran down the list of things that I collect. Orange Mohawks, Empire Lando, Judge Dredd, Red Shadows stuff, Green Arrow, but like not anything super easy to theme a Spaceman figure around. We had to talk. He said he was going to do it. He sent it to me, and I figured what better time to dip my toe back into some video content, like showing off a friend's hard work. So look at this, nicely packed. As somebody who spent many years packing toys for eBay, not for eBay, but through eBay, I appreciate a good pack job. I do wonder, what was the life of this styrofoam? Where did it come from? What was it a part of? All right, this must be the bundle. John Kukovich, by the way, part of the call sign Longbow team. Can't wait. Awesome O-ring figures coming soon. Anyways, let's see what happened. This is kind of like Christmas. And this is the morning for me. So this is like Christmas morning. Just a little something going on here. This is why I can't ever put an order in for a figure, because I wouldn't have come up with something like this. I used to have a sketchbook. Actually, I still have a sketchbook. I don't know where they are. I have 2 sketchbooks. One of them was Green Arrow themed, and I would take it to conventions And I would give it to artists, and I would pay for a commission, and I would say, it's a Green Arrow themed sketchbook, have fun. And I got so many awesome pieces just by giving the artist the freedom to do what they wanted, within a set of boundaries. And that is this fella. Look at that guy. Absurd. So what's crazy is, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm of the mind, I believe, allegedly, these are 3D printed kits designed by them. Obviously this one's painted by John, and then they design the kit to fit around a figure. So I want to say this one might be a classified Destro, and then that head, and then like I sold him a bunch of cheap / reasonable classified figures for that he was designing customs around for, I think, DFW. Might have been another project. And I love that because it gives life to, we'll call them less desirable figures. Oh, there we go. I mean, this is absurd. He's got like some Borg-esque kind of stuff going on with that head. I don't even know what the head is. But like, look, he's all skeletoned out. I lost my train of thought earlier. This thing doesn't feel like a 3D printed armor. This feels like I got it out of, this could be like a McFarlane figure, which is crazy. Like the original, what on earth? Dude, look at this. Look at like the cables. They're like, that's absolutely insane. What the French toast? Got like little rocket jump booster things back there. Man, yeah, it's a solid figure. It's got heft. I'm gonna be gentle with it because it's custom painted, and I don't want to, like, it's one of a kind. I don't want to break it. But like, I feel like I don't have to be. This is crazy. I gotta wipe my fingerprints off this dome. Wow. So yeah, obviously went with the Red Shadows theme. Got some special edition Roboskull vibes with the yellow highlights in there. Man, I didn't even get in here. Look at the guns. These guys. The timing on this is very fun. I'm beyond impressed. Again, could not have cooked this up would not have been able to ask for this, and that is when art gets particularly interesting for me. As someone who's not an artist, is the idea, although I guess we've done it, I guess we have the same argument at work where it's like, you're giving the customer the thing they don't know to ask for. And that's how you impress them. And I always love when artists are able to do that. I've actually been, everyone's debating AI art ethics. And I think that might be the biggest gap between regular, like, human-made art and AI art, is the ability to anticipate or give the customer art they didn't know they wanted. Whereas in AI, you're just entering a prompt and it's going to give you what you want, but it doesn't have that possibility to give you what you didn't know you wanted. With some screen reflection on that helmet. He's even got like John, why are you taking the time to... I assume that's on purpose. If it's accidental, that's hilarious. But like, he's got like weathering, like this isn't his first rodeo in this outfit either. Yeah, this guy's cool as hell. Like, I don't know what to do with these two guns. And he's got two guns on his hips too. This guy's loaded. Just look at the... I'll get a better video for the end of him on a shelf with some better lighting, but like, all the wear and crazy bits and pieces, or not bits and pieces, wear and tear. This thing's insane. I actually need to, at some point, probably promote. I bought it's not a snow serpent. It looks like a snow serpent. It's like a darker grayish blue that I bought off Mikey at, I think, AR. That's really cool. A classified custom that he was selling. It's on my desk at work. I should probably show that off at some point. Should probably show off a lot of things that have been acquired over the last 2 years. I didn't even do a RoboSkull unboxing with the timing of everything. But this guy is fantastic. He sits really solidly. Man, this is awesome. It's so good. Yeah. So, Couple of Kuks, Kuks. Shout out to them for an awesome kit. Shout out to the work done on this. I'm so excited. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I plan on being back with more. I have things to say, toys to play with. So, next time.